means na silence in our prayer doesn't mean the Lord denied us. It is because it is the time that we brought down in deeper humility so that our hearts may be more ready, more fit to receive the heaven's gifts and blessings that the Lord prepared for us. Hello, good day po. Praise God po for another week na naman na ipinagkatiwala sa atin ng Panginoon. And today nga po, I'm so excited to share with you yung Mateo 15 verse 23 where it says, "But he answered her not a word." And then ang title po ng ating lesson is, God's silence does not mean God's denial. And makikita po natin yung background or yung context po ng Matthew 15 verse 23. It has something to do with a mother na meron pong isang ina na nakikiusap, nagmamakaawa sa ating Panginoon na pagalingin na yung anak niya na inaalihan ng demonyo at masyado ng pinapahirapan. And then sa heart po ng mother, and if it has something to do with the children, syempre walang hindi kayang gawin ang isang mother. Pero ang isa po sa masakit na makikita natin na may ganito tayong nararanasan, yung para bagang sobrang plead na natin, and yet yung mga nilalapitan natin is para bang wala tayong nakikita na help na ibibigay sa atin. And then makita po natin dito na di ba, napakaraming lumapit kay Lord to ask for favor, and most of them, halos lahat ay no need to ask for twice or thrice para lang ma-receive yung favor. And then bakit po? Dahil yung heart po ng ating Diyos is, kung ang heart ng mother is sensitive, yung heart ng ating Lord is much more sensitive pa po. Especially when he hears the cry of his children. Ang napakaganda pong katangian ng Panginoon, he instantly responded to every petition for help. Ngayon, ito po yung kakaibang scenario kung saan hindi po siya agad-agad nag-respond. He uttered not a word. Talagang pinapakinggan lang po. Even yung mga apostol na kasama po niya is nakikiusap na tulungan. But still, hinayaan lang po niya na pakinggan yung babae na nakikiusap. And dito po natin nakita na bakit po kaya silent that time ang ating Diyos. Was it because na hindi niya kaya? Pero makita po natin dito na he was silent. It was not because he cannot help her, for his arm was never weak. And si Lord po is always full. Lagi siyang full of everything na need natin. He will never go empty. That's why we can go to Him anytime, for we know He was always full. And His love, His compassion to each one of us, especially for the weaker ones, was much stronger. Bakit po? Dahil nafe-feel ng Lord yung sorrow na nararanasan natin. And yung compassion na ipinakita sa atin ng Panginoon, di ba po, yung kindness sa atin, even sa cross, kinalimutan niya yung kanyang sarili para lang ipakita yung kindness sa atin. And the reason po ng kanyang silent, it was to try the faith of the mother. Bakit po? Parang dito natin makita na he wanted to draw out yung greater strength ng faith ng mother that time. And same din po sa atin. Have we experienced this kind of situation din po wherein talagang we plead for help, we plead for this request, and still parang prayer, parang feeling natin is it's still unanswered, na parang bang hindi naman sumasagot ang Panginoon, or hindi tayo nakaka-receive ng action doon sa prayer natin. It is a great reminder to each one of us na nagpiplead, nakikiusap sa ating Panginoon na He hears our prayers. He hears how we plead. Naririnig tayo ng Panginoon, nakikita ng Lord kung paano tayo nagpiplead sa Kanya. Ngayon, the question is, how prepare our heart to receive such blessings? Dahil kaya po pala may mga pagkakataon na naantala is piniprepare pa po ni Lord tayo for a much greater blessing. And makita po natin dito na talagang tinest yung faith ng mother until such time dumating talaga sa point na kung saan the mother broke down into a more deeper humility, until na yung naging comparison na lang niya is makompare siya sa isang hayop, sa isang aso, sa isang tuta. Yun. It means na silence in our prayer doesn't mean the Lord denied us. It is because it is the time that we brought down in deeper humility so that our hearts may be more ready, more fit to receive the heaven's gifts and blessings that the Lord prepared for us. And tayo ay lubos na nagpupurit, nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon at sa Kanya lamang po ang pinakamataas na kapurihan.